Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be talking about how to be more attractive. Now, this is piggybacking off of the last video, which was Wednesday's video, right? And that was the Erica Banks situation, and if I agreed or disagreed on what she said. Now, for this video, like I said before, we're going to be talking about how to be more attractive, how to attract the male gaze. So men are visual creatures. Men like to look at shiny, pretty little things, right? Men like when you are softer in nature, proven fact, okay? Men like it when you smell really, really good, okay? Proven fact. Now, how to incorporate all these things together? You are on the right channel, because on this channel I do cover hair, I do cover makeup, and I do cover sex. So if you're struggling in any one of those departments, there are playlists readily available. Now, me personally, I'm not on a mission to attract men. This is just my natural aura. If they so happen to come to me, they do. I just gently turn them away because I am a married woman. So the first thing first, and I think this is the most important thing, my hair is always done. Every 2 to 4 weeks, I'm changing my hairstyle. Either it's in a ponytail, or it's in braids, or it's in a U-part wig with a side part, or a center part, or a quick weave, or a lace front. The options are endless, and there are so many videos here on YouTube as well as here on this channel that you can watch to learn how to either apply your lace, how to twist your hair, how to make a wig, how to braid, did I already say braid? How to, all of these things, how to do a quick weave. There are so many resources out there, especially here on YouTube, that can help you on your hair journey, whether you are natural, relaxed, or you just want to wig it. Okay, so that's the first thing. Make sure that your hair is always done. And that does not mean you have to spend $500 on a 40-inch lace front, 613, whatever the hell, every month. Okay, that's not at all what I'm saying. Know your budget, know your skill set, and work within that. Okay, if you're more on the natural side, make sure that your braids are always done. Make sure that your natural hair is always done. Make sure you're investing in products that are going to make your hair look the best that it could possibly look. Also, the way that you wear your hair will determine the type of men that you attract. If you're looking for somebody who is more spiritual, let's say, someone who is more empress, someone who's more grand rising, someone who's more queen, someone who's more, someone like that, then from my personal experience, the more natural looking hairstyles, like when I do my Marley twist, that's what's going to attract those men. If you want someone who's like popping bottles, who's like flossing in the clubs, who will pay your rent every month, those type of guys, they are more so attracted to the lace front girls, the super long hair girls, those type of girls, okay? Those type of hairstyles, right? If you want something like right in the middle, like a super sweet guy who likes, I don't know, whatever, kind of corny but not super corny, cute but has like a little bit of ugly, that's my type, honestly. Let me stop. No, so you want to go for a hairstyle, something similar to this, right? With your natural leave out, with softer curls, or even if it's bone straight, but something that, yes, either long or short, whatever the case is, but it looks like it's your hair. That's the type of guy you're going to get, like that right in between, where he's like, he has money, but he's not going to like you know? Yeah, that makes sense? I hope that makes sense. So that's tip number 1, make sure that your hair is always done. Tip number 2 is to make sure that your skin is always soft. Make sure that your makeup is always nice. If you're a girl like me who wears makeup every single day, make sure that you're practicing and perfecting that particular craft. Again, multiple videos here on YouTube as well as on this channel, how I do my brows, lashes, all of that is here on this channel, as well as on others. Again, you don't have to do a cake face every single day, but something that makes you look like you actually got up and you tried. Like you didn't just roll out of bed and got out on the road, right? Right. Take some time to build up your skincare routine. So for the days that you decide not to wear makeup, or even under your makeup, your skin looks nice, right? You want to make sure that you're exfoliating your skin so that when he caresses you or touches you any type of way, it's nice and smooth as it should be. Take care of your nails. I know I have a broken one right now, but make sure that your nails are done, right? For me, I stopped going to the salon to get my nails done. I've now switched over to press-ons, and again, these last me 2 weeks. Like this is literally my 2nd week, so I'm not even too upset about the broken thumb because I'm about to switch them out this weekend, right? Make sure your nails are done. Most importantly, if you don't care about nails, right, and you're keeping them nice and short and natural, please make sure that you put some type of polish on top of it so that it looks polished, it looks clean and neat, right? Make sure that your feet are taken care of. This one, babes, right now, I have like 2 chip polish and I'm about to fix them because them don't look good. Again, you don't have to do this for men at all, but if you clicked on this video, here we are. No crazy toes, no crazy feet, no rough foot. I keep one of those sponge stone foot scrubber things in my shower. Every other day I take that and I scrub the callus off my feet just to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Make sure that after you shower you're lotioning. I don't know how this is not a thing. Well, for black people it is. I didn't want to go there, but apparently in the Caucasian community it's not as popular. So make sure that you lotion. Body oils go a long way. Make sure that you're using perfume or some type of fragrance. If you are allergic to perfumes, then do something that's going to keep you nice and fresh, such as showering, okay? Make sure that you are showering, even though I mentioned it in the whole exfoliating thing. Make sure that you are getting yourself nice and clean and fresh so that when you go out and you are, you know, dealing with whatever throughout the day, you know, smell green and moldy, okay? So make sure that you shower every day and wash your legs, okay? Okay. Next thing. Now, if you sleep in a giant t-shirt and shorts like I do, if you sleep in a nightie, if you sleep in pajamas like I do, if you sleep in, you know, whatever it is that you sleep in, that part, don't judge you for it. If you want to be cute when you go to bed, that's great. Some men do really appreciate that. Some men really don't care. So that part I leave to your discretion and your comfort level, okay? But do not wear whatever you slept in outside. Big no-no. Do not go to the store in the t-shirt that you slept in, the pajamas you slept in, the bed slippers. Do not do that. To me, that is a deterrent. Do not go out in your bonnets. If you want to put on a scarf, that works. But do not go outside in the bonnet that you slept in the night before. That's very much unattractive. And if you do attract somebody, I'm pretty sure it's not the person that you want. Pretty sure. Okay? Okay.
But I saw so many of our young sisters in head bonnets, scarves, slippers, pajamas, blankets wrapped around them, and this is how they're showing up to the airport. And I've been seeing it, not just at the airport, I've been seeing it at the store, at the mall. I've been seeing sisters showing up with these bonnets and headscarves and their slippers. And the question that I'm having to you, my sweet babies, when did we lose pride in representing ourselves?
There's nothing wrong with a bonnet. Bonnets are great. Keeps your hair nice and silky so you don't, you're not on the cotton sheets. Babes, do not wear it outside. Okay? Not saying you have to have on Fendi from head to toe or Burberry from head to toe or Gucci from head to toe. Babes, just don't wear what you slept in outside. If your shirt has a hole, don't wear it. If your dress has a hole, don't wear it. Your dress has a rip, depends on where the rip is, because don't wear it. And then these are also subjective, because there are some outfits like your jeans or oversized band t-shirts or artist t-shirts. Those you can get away with depending on the look that you're going for. But do you get what I'm saying? The stretch out, watch out, holy shirt them, not gonna cuss it. Same thing with your underwear. Oh my gosh, one thing I cannot stress enough is matching your bra with your panties. My cousin, I went to, when I was in Jamaica for the funeral, I was changing and my cousin looked at me, she's like, Laura, sex in our brassiere panty. I'm like, first of all, you have to make sure say match. Once it matches, like the color, not necessarily the print, because I don't wear printed underwear anyways, unless it's leopard print. String on one. Make sure that it matches. And if you don't have the time to find a blue bra or a blue panty or a pink bra, just wear black. You cannot fail with black. And then black under whatever, you'll be fine. It hardly will ever show through. You will be good. So I recommend stocking up on a bunch of black panties, black brassieres, black shapewear, yeah, and go from there. Build up your panty drawer from there. So maybe you need something brown, then you get some brown bra, brown panty. Maybe you need something in the color buff, because nude is subjective. The color buff or beige, then you get a beige bra and a beige panty, and you know that those two always go together. If you have just one and one, like myself, I literally only have one beige panty and one beige brassiere. So whenever I'm wearing the beige panty, I only wear that beige brassiere. And you never know. And then the thing is, with doing that also, it builds your confidence, which brings me to my next tip, which is confidence. Regardless of all these things I'm telling you, even if you pick, choose, and refuse whatever it is that you want to do, confidence is what's going to take you 100% of the way there. If you are not confident, if you're not standing up straight, if your shoulders aren't back, if you're not upright, right? If he approaches you, you look up, you smile, you do all these things. Confidence is what's going to take you over the top, regardless of what your hair looks like, regardless of what your outfit looks like, regardless of what you smell like. Confidence is going to take you 100% of the way there. Okay? Okay. And of course, if possible, get your teeth fixed and get your eyes checked and make sure that you're going to the doctor and all these things. But those are my tips for attracting men to you. Okay? Okay. Tried, true, prove it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If I should have mentioned something that I did not mention that you think I should have mentioned, leave it in the comment section below. If you have anything to add, leave it in the comment section below. If you disagree with anything, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and